Welcome back to Auto's Car. Today we are taking you back to 1928 when the legendary Ford Model A first rolled off the production line. This car was a game changer after the era of the Ford Model T, and it represented a major step forward in design, comfort and driving experience. The Model A was introduced as the successor to the famous Model T, which had been around for nearly 2 decades and had changed the automobile industry forever. By 1928 people were looking for something more stylish and more modern, and Ford answered with the Model A. The first thing you notice about the 1928 Ford Model A is its classic and timeless design. It came with a variety of body styles including coupe, roadster, sedan and pickup, which made it appealing to a wide range of customers. It had a more refined look compared to the boxy and utilitarian Model T. The chrome radiator shell, elegant fenders and two-tone paint schemes made it one of the most attractive cars of its time. Under the hood, the 1928 Model A featured a 4-cylinder engine that produced around 40 horsepower, which was a big improvement over the Model T. This allowed the car to reach speeds of up to 65 miles per hour, making it not only stylish but also practical for longer trips. The transmission was a 3-speed manual that was easier to operate compared to the old planetary gear system used in the Model T. This meant that even drivers new to cars could learn quickly and enjoy a smoother ride. Inside the cabin, Ford made sure to add comfort and convenience for the driver and passengers. The interior was simple but well made, with better seating position and improved visibility compared to earlier models. The Model A also had safety glass in the windshield, which was a new innovation at the time, making driving much safer. Another thing that made the Model A special was how affordable and reliable it was. Ford managed to keep the price reasonable so that the average American family could buy one. It became one of the best-selling cars of its era, with millions produced between 1928 and 1931. The Model A was not just a car, it was a symbol of progress during a time when the world was changing fast. Today, the 1928 Ford Model A is a favorite among classic car collectors and enthusiasts around the world. Its simple mechanical design makes it easy to restore and maintain, and its vintage charm makes it a star at car shows. Owning a Model A is like owning a piece of history. Every detail, from the hand crank option to the distinctive horn, reminds you of the early days of motoring. If you ever get a chance to see one up close, or better yet take a ride in one, you will understand why this car is considered one of the most important vehicles in Ford history. It represents the moment when cars became more than just a way to get around. They became something to be proud of and something that reflected style, personality and innovation. So that is the story of the 1928 Ford Model A, a car that bridged the gap between the early days of automobiles and the modern era. Stick around here on Auto's Car for more classic car stories and deep dives into automotive history. Make sure to like, share and subscribe so you never miss our next journey into the world of timeless machines.